How to upload Canva video to YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to upload your Canva video directly to YouTube. It's super simple, so now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Canva project where you have created your video. For here, I've got the project open. So now here, head up to the top right corner of your screen and click on Share button. And from the pop-up menu, simply click on Download. And here, make sure that the file type is set to MP4, which is standard video format for YouTube. So if you're using Canva Pro, you can bump the quality up to the highest settings, but if you are on the free version, just stick with 1080p. That works great too. And here, make sure that all pages is selected so your full video is downloaded. And once you're done with that, just hit on download again, and after that it will automatically go to your downloads folder. And here, once you have downloaded the video, now it's time to upload it to YouTube. So here, open the YouTube through any web browser, and here make sure that you are signed in into your YouTube channel. And once you are here, simply go to the top right corner and click on Create. And after that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply click on Upload Video, and this will take you to the YouTube Studio. Now here, click on Select Files, and after that, find a downloaded video, and once you're done with that, simply select it and click Open. And now the uploads begin. And after that, you will now see a details page here where you will give your video a title, description, and upload the thumbnail. But just note that if your channel isn't verified yet, you might not be able to add the custom thumbnails. So scroll down and select whether your content is made for kids or not. For most general videos, you'll choose no, it's not made for kids. You might also see the section asking if your video content is AI generated content, so answer it accordingly. And after this, simply click Next to escape through things like monetization if available to you, video elements like screens and checks. And now, when you reach the visibility section, choose how you want to publish it. Here you will find public, unlisted, private, and schedule. So simply select your preferred option, but for this video I'm gonna simply click on public. And once I do that, at the bottom of this pop-up menu you'll see the option labeled as publish. So simply click on that, and that's it. Now your Canva video is uploaded to YouTube. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.